Hey everyone, welcome back to All About AI Tech. Today, we're diving into a fascinating experiment we conducted at the Pudding, exploring whether AI can truly replace human creativity in the realm of data-driven storytelling. As many of you know, the Pudding is renowned for its visually stunning and insightful data-driven stories. We were curious to see if AI could replicate our unique blend of data analysis, narrative structure, and design thinking. We enlisted the help of Claude AI, an advanced language model developed by Anthropic, to see if it could handle the creative process from ideation to execution, just like we do. We broke down our process into 4 key stages: idea generation, data collection and analysis, storyboarding and prototyping, and finally, development and writing. For each stage, we gave Claude specific instructions and feedback, mimicking how someone interested in data storytelling might interact with an AI tool. First up, idea generation. We asked Claude to pitch us story ideas, just like we do in our team meetings. We provided some guidance on what makes a good story for the Pudding: a clear narrative, engaging visuals, and of course, data-driven insights. Claude actually generated some interesting concepts, even suggesting ideas we might consider exploring ourselves. We were impressed by how quickly Claude could churn out potential topics and even outline data sources and visualizations. Next, we dove into data collection and analysis. This is where things got really interesting. We tasked Claude with writing Python scripts to scrape data from the web, specifically lyrics from Billboard Hot 100 songs. Amazingly, Claude's coding skills were pretty impressive. It could whip up scripts much faster than we could, but there's always a but, right? While Claude was blazing fast, it wasn't exactly a flawless coder. It made its fair share of mistakes, requiring some back and forth to fix things. And fixing those errors, well, let's just say Claude's debugging skills weren't quite as sharp. This highlighted a key takeaway. While AI can be a powerful tool, it's only as good as the person using it. You need the knowledge and experience to spot errors, troubleshoot, and refine the process. With the data collected, we moved on to storyboarding. Claude impressed us again, crafting a detailed outline with ideas for charts, visuals, and even interactive elements. It was all logically structured and followed a clear narrative arc, just like we emphasize at the Pudding. However, the storyboard lacked a certain spark, that element of human ingenuity and creativity that takes a story from good to great. Prototyping is where Claude truly shone. Remember those code-generating skills? They came in handy here. We asked Claude to create prototypes of its chart ideas using Svelte, our development environment. And let me tell you, it was incredibly efficient. What might take us hours to build took Claude mere seconds. It was like having an extra set of hands, rapidly bringing our visual concepts to life. But again, those human eyes and that design sensibility proved crucial. While Claude could efficiently generate charts, the initial outputs often lacked finesse. Things like color choices, typography, and overall visual hierarchy, those subtle details that elevate a chart from purely functional to truly engaging, often needed adjustments. It was clear that AI could handle the technical aspects, but design thinking still relied on human expertise. Finally, we arrived at the development and writing stage. Claude tackled the task of transforming our storyboard into a full-fledged draft. It churned out text, integrated code snippets for visuals, and even remembered details like the methods section and linking to a hypothetical GitHub repository. But the writing, while grammatically correct and informative, lacked that distinctive voice, that human touch that makes a story truly compelling. So, do we feel replaceable? Not quite. The final product crafted with Claude's assistance was impressive on a technical level. But it felt a bit like comparing an IKEA table to a handcrafted piece from a skilled artisan. Both serve a purpose, but the artisan's work possesses a level of care, detail, and artistry that mass production simply can't replicate. And that's where we believe human creativity still holds an edge in the world of data storytelling. However, this experiment wasn't about declaring victory for humans or AI. It was about exploring the potential of collaboration. We learned that AI can be an invaluable tool, assisting us in specific tasks, accelerating our workflow, and even sparking new ideas. We'll definitely continue using AI tools, but we see ourselves more as editors, guiding the process, refining the output, and ensuring that final product meets our standards of quality and creativity. There are tons of AI tools out there that we use on a regular basis to help with every stage of the creative process, from brainstorming to research to prototyping. and we're constantly experimenting with new ones. What are some of your favorite AI tools, and how do you use them in your own work? I'm always trying to improve the quality of these videos, incorporating your feedback and exploring new ways to make the world of AI engaging and accessible for everyone. So please, hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know what you thought of this experiment in the comments below. I'm really eager to hear your thoughts on the future of AI and creativity. One of my goals is to build a thriving community here on All About AI Tech, a space where we can discuss, learn, and grow together. So let's keep the conversation going in the comments. Do you think AI will eventually surpass human creativity? Are there certain aspects of storytelling where AI falls short? Share your perspectives. I'm excited to hear from you.